Bless up all Jamaica walk by massive. Big up every time all of my friends them. All of my supporters them. You don't know. Big up every time. Welcome to another episode of Jamaica Walk By. Right now, we are en route to Linstead. Linstead, St. Catherine. So, I'm on my way to Linstead. Lexi is not here today. So, I'm a loner in the car. So, I won't be able to navigate the camera the way I want to. But I'm going to try my best to keep it as still as possible on the road. The camera is actually mounted on top of the car this time. So, for a much wider view. So, let's see what go on today. So, we are going to drive to Linstead. So, big up every time. You know me not know Jamaica like that when it comes onto the road and name and them things. So, I'm not going to give no instruction to say, yeah man, you saw this and you saw this. So, and I mean that. So, I just know the place. When I don't know, use Google Map. See? So, we just going to drive and scroll through today. So, big up all of my supporters them. Remember, from start to watch this, just give it a like. Give it a like right now. Me a wait. Come on, man. Give it a like. Drop a one comment. You see me? If you can share it, man. We really appreciate it because we have preserved the culture of Jamaica. Time I go forward when time I go look back and say, John was star. I saw Jamaica did look in a 2021 or 2022, and Jamaica Walk By channel actually start in 2020. Yeah, in 2020 we start. So, yeah man, respect for all of the support that we've been getting with their 16,000 subscribers. So, big up every time. So, as you can see, we're on Old Harbour Road that come towards the roundabout. So, we're a big tree right now. And, yeah, we are going to head. We'll take the left of the roundabout and go. Them place, GC faster side and all of them look at thing there. And we are the road. See? Just try to position the camera better. Yeah, better view. Hope everybody has see what go on. Yeah. So big up every time. Just go find some nice music put to this so we can drive and listen to some music and see what go on. So thanks for all the support. Thank you to everybody. Big up Lexi who are there today with me. I'm a rider and die that. You understand? Me Barney and Clyde. Or Barney and Clyde. That's all? One of them things. You see me? So, yes I. Big up few of the man them, few of the ladies them. Diane, big up yourself. You don't know. Sam, big up yourself. Splat, big up yourself. Marie, big up yourself. Whole heap of name. And I have to big up the persons who have been supporting the channel, like sending small donations and thing and trust me, it's overwhelming and we really appreciate it. Trust me, you won't understand. Sometimes the little that you send, you won't understand how much it is highly appreciated and we're grateful for it. So, just big up. So all the persons them, I just want you to continue to donate. Continue to support the channel and keep it growing. Come on. So right out there, so them have a new tire warehouse out there, so I never know this. Yeah, nice. People Jamaica nice, just have to stay away from crime and violence, yeah man. And just live and enjoy the country. Enough people can relate to. Right. Same title. Today is a Friday and we are head to Linstead. So so from here head to Linstead, you have to go look out for a Linstead town tour. Yeah man. The time now about 2:30. Yeah. 2:30 something. And we are going. So yeah man, we are rock to some music and see what's what. Anything I say, I feel like I want to chat, just chat. When I don't know me talk already, I don't talk so much proper English, I just talk the way I can talk. I put on and I not take off. I just so I talk. off and just fix back properly. Just bumpy start them patch. I'm tired of patching. We want road. Well, some places in Jamaica road sweet, crisp, pretty, like a heaven you drive. Some part of St. Mary and Kingston and in place the road sweet. But things are going. Whole heap of improvement. Can't complain. We're not supposed to complain about them things. Right now, I'm going to complain about a crime. It's sick of crime, brother. Crime thing serious. I'm not going to try to drive too fast. I just want to keep nice little pace. Even though a few vehicles in front of this, so nice little pace so people can look and see what I go and save speed. Chuck a ugly man. Chat on. That was scary. I always tell the people them, listen to me. I want to Jamaica my video. I tell the people them, I want me see my video. If I don't see it, I might still catch it. I don't see it because sometimes we all have video something like town or the street and the camera point to the front, but me actually I look side and me I look behind me because you know Jamaica you have to be vigilant. You can't behave like you're punk in Jamaica and your head stuck straight. You have to look. And worse, I walk with equipment and them things that I have to watch out and I look what I go on and scan out the environment. You understand? So, man, a video. If I see dog, maybe the dog, post, rat, tree, building, woman, man. And anything then weird come up on the street and then catch by my camera. Jamaica walk by, I hit it for the channel, you hear? So, yeah. You have some people sometimes I say, yo, if you feel like I should have a video that person here, I'm sharing a video that something here. Everything I see me a video. And when my video catch. So you just know on that day, that was what was happening and that did go on. If a woman a walk in the street and did and a behind she me a walk, I go about my business and she a take video. You see me? So free for video. Town. Everywhere in public areas, so a video me I go video. You best believe it. And I'm gonna start doing some giveaway thing in a supermarket. And I like ask people some simple questions who come into shop. Some little general knowledge question. If them get it right, I say I can give them like 10 seconds to go get some things out of the supermarket or wherever. Maybe a 2 item or 3 item where they really need. I'm not going to promise people say I can't afford over them big shopping and then grocery shopping. No, we can't. We're just going. So sometimes I get the donation, then I just go so boom and save them up and see what we can do. I help a lot of persons to differently. Yeah. I pass through them now. We're going way too slow. Machine! I don't even remember what Otis name, but you can look, you have to look up to the top right hand corner somewhere there. So I'm gonna put all of these names, the name of them area on the top right hand corner of the screen. That way there, everybody will drive and I watch this can see what I go on and see which part me there and which part here. So call that name up in there. Because right now them not come off of my head top. I remember exactly, I don't want to tell no lie now. Me a drive, you don't see much sign. So yeah, but I know say GC faster there. Just down the road from us. Can't let out everybody. So yeah, as me that said, so big up every time, thank you so much. And remember, we have a wish list in the description. So if anybody want to send us a gift or buy something that we want to improve the channel, you can always check in the wish list and you can see. And we try our best not to put anything there too expensive because we know how things go and we don't put money in on anybody. I haven't driven this road in a few years, so road fresh to me again. Bunch of potholes here. Why? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Beautiful. So we're coming on to Flat Bridge. Yeah. Famous Flat Bridge. Deadly Flat Bridge. There's so much I can say about this bridge. Many lives has been lost on this bridge right here. Flat Bridge. People selling and things. Going about it. Green light. How long the light lasts for? I take it a little wide and you go around. Flat Bridge. Oh, they have a pothole in the bridge. Not good. Yeah. Now I feel a little lighter. That was scary, bro. But that joke. I never like that. Wagwak. Corner speeder, taxi. Man say overtake round the corner. The place is beautiful. Clearly I can say that this is one of the most deadliest roads in Jamaica. Without a doubt. I mean, a lot of persons can relate and second that thought. Yeah man. Just I hope the people them just drive safe today. And me not have to go past nothing like that on the road. No crashes or anything where somebody else's life get lost. So them something always be happening on this road, so I hope people them get a bit wiser, you know. I left out a morning time or a daytime, no matter what time it is, you have to tell God thanks. Bring you back and carry where you go safe. Yeah man. Picture here, so boy. You're so near me now. You're so near me now again. Well, I guess out of that, but bag walk same way. Alright, let me see. Can't even recognize the sign we sign a set. Like some Zozo are going this up. Alright. Bag walk, Linstead. Yeah. So we did it, so I think we take the left here. And go around here, so. We're going to Linstead town. Yeah, my people. Big up every time. Yeah, man. Big up and thanks to everybody who watched this video. Big up every time. Thanks a million. Keep on supporting and everything. So, all blessings, all manners. And take care of yourself and keep safe forever. Love and respect. See? Fabian say, we out. So remember to continue to like. Remember to continue to share. Zin? Yeah, man, leave a comment. So if you want to like that video, you're not afraid to like it, man. Just like it. Press the like button if you like it.